Hi students, welcome to Sankalp Study Success. I am Tirupati Rao, chemistry lecturer. Please subscribe our channel. So in this video, I am going to discuss about bond order. So in the previous videos, I discussed about bond length, bond energy, bond angle. So now I am going to explain another bond parameter like bond order. What is the bond order? Listen to me. Right. So this is the O2 molecule. So this is the F2 molecule and this is N2 molecule. In N2 molecule, the two nitrogen atoms are separated by triple bond. In O2, the two oxygen atoms are separated by double bond. In fluor, in F2, single bond. Right. So in this here, how many bonds? 3 bonds. Here 2 bonds. It is 1 bond. So that is the bond order. So the number of bonds between two atoms, in a molecule, this is the molecule F2, O2, N2, these are molecules, is known as bond order. So the number of bonds between two atoms in a molecule are known as bond order. The number of bonds between two atoms in a molecule is known as bond order. So the bond order of F2 is 1, the bond order of oxygen is 2, the bond order of nitrogen is 3. Right. So greater the bond order, more is the strength of the bond. So if the bond order is more, that is the stronger, that its strength is more. So suppose it is easily break down. This is easily break down. It is easily break down. But so it is easily break down. This is the single bond. This is single bond. But these are 3. So its breaking is very difficult. Yes. Here also. So it is containing triple bond. It is containing single bond. So its bond dissociation energy is less, its bond dissociation energy is very high. Bond dissociation energy I means that is more stable. So that means if the bond order is more, bond dissociation energy or bond energy is also more, its stability is also more. So which is the stronger bond? That is the more stable. So here greater the bond order, more is strength of bond. That bond is a stronger bond. So that is the strong. Its strength of bond is very high. So next, bond order is directly proportional to stability. That is already says that which is having more number of bonds. Which is having more bond order. Its breaking is very difficult. So its stability is very high. So that is a bond order is directly proportional to stability. With increasing bond order, BO means bond order. With increasing bond order, bond energy is increases. Yes, if the bond order is 3, its dissociation energy is also high. So the dissociation energy per one bond is less than when compared to say double bond. And also it is less than when compared to triple bond. So which is having more bond dissociation energy, triple bond having more dissociation energy. Right. So bond with bond order is increases, bond energy increases, but bond length is decreases. Already says that. So greater the number of bonds, greater the bonds between the atoms, bond length is decreases. Already says that in a bond length video. So this is single bond, this is double bond, this is the triple bond. So greater the bonds between the atoms means more overlapping. More overlapping means then the atoms are reached very closer, so its bond length is less, right? So bond order is directly proportional to bond energy, but inversely proportional to bond length, right? Isoelectronic species having same bond order. What is isoelectronic species? So this is the atom, this is the molecule, this is the molecule, this is the ion. So the molecule or ion containing same number of atoms with same number of electrons also. So here nitrogen, its atomic number is 7. So if number of electrons is equal to atomic number. So its atomic number 7 means its number of electrons is equal to 7. Here how many nitrogens are there? 2 nitrogens. 2 7s are 14. It is containing 14 electrons. It is containing carbon atomic number 6, oxygen atomic number 8. 6 plus 8. It is containing 6 electrons. It is containing 8 electrons. 6 plus 8, 14 electrons. Here nitrogen, its atomic number 7. It is containing 7 electrons. This is oxygen. Oxygen containing 8. Its atomic number is 8. It is containing 8 electrons. It is having positive charge. Positive charge. If atom or if any atom having positive charge, so that is losing of electron can take place. Yes. So here plus means losing of electron, right? Or minus 1. Here how many plus are there? Minus 1 plus, that is minus 1, right? 7 plus 8, 15. 15 minus 1, 14. So all are having the same number of electrons. 14, 14, 14, right? So these are said to be isoelectronic species. The species having same number of electrons, that is said to be isoelectronic species. So its bond order is also same. Isoelectronic species having same bond order. So this is the bond order calculation trick. Number of electrons, bond order. Number of electrons, bond order. So if the number of electrons is 4, that is the basic value, its bond order is 3. Its bond order is 3. Suppose this is the nitrogen. This is the nitrogen. 2 7s are. What is the atomic number of nitrogen? 7. Its number of electrons 7. 2 7s are 14 electrons. 14 electrons. So its bond order is also, how many bonds present between these two nitrogen atoms? 3. So 14 electrons. 14 electrons per nitrogen, its bond order is 3 bonds. So according to this basic value, above or below, that means 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 electrons. Above means 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 electrons. So its bond order is decreases. Its bond order is decreases. So from 14 electrons, the bond order from 14 electrons, the bond order is decreases, or above the number of electrons or below the number of electrons, each reduce 0.5. So 13, what is the difference between 14, 13? 1. So it can reduce 0.5, 3.0 minus 0.5, 2.5. Similarly, 14, 15, 15 is okay. It is one more, right? What is the difference between 14 and 15? 1. Its difference is 1. It can reduce at 0.5, 2.5. Similarly, each can reduce 0.5, 2.5, reduce 0.5 means 2. Similarly, all these values above or below 2.5, 2.0, 1.5, 1.0, 0.5. So, from 14 electrons, the bond order is decreases above the number of electrons, below the number of electrons, right? According to this, we can calculate bond order easily from 9 to 19 electrons. 9 to 19 electrons, molecules or ions. So what is the bond order of fluorine? What is the bond order of fluorine? F2, right? What is the bond order of fluorine? What is the bond order of fluorine? Fluorine, what is the atomic number? 9. 2 9s are 18. So it is containing 18 electrons. So each Fluorine containing 9 electrons. Why? Its atomic number is 9. Atomic number is equal to number of electrons. So 2 9s are 18. It is containing 18 electrons. 18 electrons means its bond order is 1.0. So its bond order is 1.0 bond order. So similarly, O2 minus, O2 plus, O2 plus, what is the bond order? What is the bond order? So what is the bond order? 2 into, what is the atomic number of oxygen? 8, 2 8 ja. Here plus means minus 1. So 2 8 ja, 16 minus 1, 15. So 15 means what its bond order? 2.5. Similarly, like Be2 plus, Be2 plus. So what is the bond order? Beryllium. Beryllium, what is atomic number? So this is not. Next to bond order of CO plus, CO, right, CO, that is over, CO2, CO plus. What is the bond order of CO plus? Carbon atomic number 6 and oxygen, its atomic number is 8, plus means, right, minus 1. So 6 plus 8, 14, minus 1, 13. 13 means what its bond order? 2.5, right. And like Li2 plus, Li2 plus bond order. So what is the atomic number of lithium? 3. It is okay, Li2 plus, Li2 2 plus, Li2 plus, right, Li2 plus. So lithium, what is the atomic number of lithium? 3. 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6, plus means it loses 1 electron. 6 minus 1, 5 electrons. But here 5 electrons are not there. So if the number of electrons is less than or equal 8, that means 8 electrons are less than or equal 8, its bond order can be calculated by using MO theory. Its bond order, okay, the number of electrons are less than or equal 8, its bond order can be calculated. This formula, number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons by 2. So according to molecular theory, bonding molecular orbitals, anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So 1s, 1s. So these can form, so sigma 1s, sigma star 1s. So these are the molecular orbitals. Similarly, is 2s, 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 2s. So this is the sigma 2s. So this is sigma star 2s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. So this is the energy increasing order. So this is 2 electron, it is containing 2 to 4, 2 to 4. So total it is containing 8 electrons, 8 electrons. So up to 8 electrons, this formula can be used. Bond order, bond order is equal to number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons by 2. So this is the trick. Now, right, calculate the bond order or stability of following molecule. What are that? Right, Li2 plus, Li2 minus. Write the order of the bond order, write the order of bond order or stability, right. Write the order of bond order or stability, right. Now, so Li2, so its number of electrons 2 into, what is the atomic number of lithium? Hydrogen, helium, lithium. Atomic number is 3. So it is containing 3 electrons, that is containing 6 electrons. Now goes to Li2 plus. Li2 plus means, right, Li2 plus means 2 into 3, plus means minus 1, that is 5 electrons. Li2 minus, Li2 minus means 2 into 3, minus means plus 1, that means 7 electrons. 2 3 is 6 plus 1, 7 electrons. Right, we know that bond order is equal to number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons. So we know that according to diagram, this is sigma 1s, this is sigma star 1s, and this is 1s. If it goes to 2s, this is sigma 2s, this is the sigma star 2s. So this is the bonding orbital, this is the anti-bonding orbital. So this is the bonding orbital, this is the anti-bonding orbital. So according to energy increasing order, the electron firstly enter into the bonding orbitals, lower energy levels like bonding. Next goes to anti-bonding, A. Next goes to bonding, next goes to anti-bonding. That means BA. So the electrons are filled according to bond BA. So BA means B means bonding molecular orbital, next anti-bonding molecular orbital. Next one sigma 2s, that is the bonding molecular orbital. Next sigma star 2s, that is the anti-bonding molecular orbital. BA. Right. So each sigma 1s or sigma star 1s containing 2 electrons. So there 6 electrons are there. Firstly the electrons are filled into, right, BA. Right, 2 electrons means 2 electrons, 6 electrons means 2. Right, here BA, here 5 electrons means 2 electrons, 1 electron. Here BA, bonding, anti-bonding, right. So 2 electrons, 1 electron. Right, now we can calculate the bond order of Li2. So bond order of Li2 is equal to number of bonding electrons. B means bonding electrons, A means anti-bonding electrons. So for Li2, bonding electrons how much? 2 to 4, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 in bracket number of bonding electrons 2 to 4 minus anti-bonding electrons A. So 2 electrons, anti-bonding electrons 2 by 2, sorry, by not 2, so previous 1 by 2 can be written. So 4 minus 2 by 2 means 1. 2 by 2 means 1. Next goes to bond order of Li2 plus. So 1 by 2, what is bonding electrons? 2 plus 1, 3 minus anti-bonding electrons 2 electrons. So 3 minus 2 means 1. 1 by 2 means 0.5. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Now bond order of Li2 minus means 1 by 2, number of bonding electrons is equal to BB. How many electrons? 6 electrons, sorry, 4 electrons minus anti-bonding 3 electrons. So 4 minus 3, that means right, 4 minus 3, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means this is also 0.5. So here what is asking in this question? Write the order of bond order and stability. So which is having more bond order? Li2 having more bond order, but bond order of Li2 plus and Li2 minus are equal, but its bond order is equal, but its stability. So which is having more bond order? That is having more stability. So stability means stability. So stability So stability order, right, which is having more bond order, that is having more stable. So Li2 bond order is 1, that is more. And next here bond order of Li2 plus and Li2 minus are both are same, 0.5 0.5. In this, if the bond order is same, which is having more number of anti-bonding electron, that is less stable. So if the bond order is same, both are having same bond order. In these two molecules, which is having more number of anti-bonding electrons, more number of anti-bonding electrons means its energy is more, which is having more energy, that is less stable. Which is having more energy, that is having less stable. So here number of anti-bonding electrons, here number of anti-bonding electrons 2, here number of anti-bonding electrons 3. So Li2 minus having more number of anti-bonding electrons. How much? 2 plus 1, 3. 3 anti-bonding electrons. But Li2 plus, in Li2 plus how many anti-bonding electrons? 2 anti-bonding electrons. So in these three, which is having more number of anti-bonding molecular electrons. So Li2 minus having more number of anti-bonding molecular electrons. So that is less stable. So next goes to Li2 plus, and last one is Li2 minus. This is the stability or bond order right. Okay, which is having more stability, Li2, which is having less stability, Li2 minus. So from 9 to 19 electrons, from number of electrons 9 to 19, this trick is used. 40, if the number of electrons is 14, its bond order is 3.0. Above the number of 14, above or below the number of 14 electrons, that bond order is also decreases, right? If the number of electrons is less than or equal 8, that means 8 or less than or 8, its bond order can be calculated using MO theory. According to MO theory, bond order is equal to number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons by 2. So Li2, it is having 6 electrons, that means it is having less than or equal 8. 5 electrons, Li2 plus 7 electrons, all these are less than or equal 8. So according to this, first of all we can write its electrons in bonding orbitals and anti-bonding orbitals. Follow this rule, BA, so Baba, right? Finally we can calculate bond order by using this formula. So this is the calculation of bond order for less than or equal 8 electron molecules or ions. Now goes to calculation of bond order of more than 19 electrons. Calculation of bond order for more than 19 electrons, greater than 19 electrons. Calculation of bond order for more than 19 electrons molecules or ions, right? How to find out? Right, listen to me. For example, we can take in CO3 2 minus, carbonate. This is what its name, carbonate. So the structure can be written as C double bond O minus, C double bond O minus. So for this type of molecules, it is containing more than 19 electrons. Carbon 6 electrons, oxygen 8 electrons. 3 8 ja 24. 24 plus 6 30 plus 2 electrons, 32 electrons. 32 electrons means it is more than 19 electrons. So for this type of molecules, how to calculate bond order? Listen to me. So bond order is equal to number of resonating bonds, that means number of bonds, number of total bond, number of resonating bonds by number of resonance structures, resonance structures, number of resonance structures. This is the one trick, one formula, right? Bond order. Now bond order, number of resonating bonds, it is containing how many bonds? 1 2 3 4. So these are two bonds, double bond, 1 2 3 4, 4 by number of resonance structures. Number of resonance structures means, so this can be written as here double bond, so thus the double bond can be written here. So C single bond O minus, double bond O minus. So this is the right, this is the another resonance structure. Now this is also written here, this double bond can be written here. Now C single bond O minus, single bond O minus, double bond O. So how many resonance structure is present in carbonate? Three resonance structures, 1 2 3. So 4 by 3 is equal to 1.3333, right? Its bond order is 1.333. So this is the calculation of bond order for more than 19 electrons of molecules or ions. What is the formula? Bond order is equal to number of resonating bonds by number of resonance structures. Here of number of resonating bonds means how many bonds? 4 bonds, 1 2 3 4, by number of resonance structures 3. So 4 by 3 means 1.33. So it is also written as this is containing how many bonds? C double bond O minus, O minus, O minus. So how many bonds? 4 bonds by its base. Its base is 3, so that can be written. Similarly, carbon phosphate PO4 3 minus. According to this bond order for phosphate, so the number of bonds per phosphate. So phosphate P double bond O minus, O minus, O minus. Phosphorus containing 5 bonds, carbon containing 4 bonds. So here 4 bonds, it is containing 5 bonds. So bond order is equal to, so how many number of resonating bonds? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 by number of resonance structures. So it's this can be written as it is having 5 resonance structures. 4 resonance structures. 4. So this is what its base? 4. What its base? 3. So 4. So 5 by 4 is equal to 1.25. angstrom, right? Sorry, 1.25. So bond order is also present in fractional values. Bond order is present in fractional values. All these are fractional values. Next one, sulfate SO4 2 minus. So its structure S double bond O, S double bond O minus, O minus. So minus. So bond order, number of bonds 1 2 2 2. 1, 2, 4, 6. 6 bonds by what its base? 4. Right. 6 by 4 means 1.5. 1.5. Similarly, sulfate chlorate ClO4 minus. ClO4 minus. So this is carbonate, this is phosphate, this is sulfate, this is chlorate. For chlorate molecule, how to calculate bond order? So for chlorine, this is the 7th group. Sulfur is the 6th group, it is containing 6 bonds. Phosphorus belongs to 50th group, that is 5 bonds. But chlorine, it is present in 70th group elements, it is having 7 bonds. So double bond, O minus. So it is containing 7 bonds. So 7 bonds. So bond order is equal to number of resonating bonds, 7. 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7 by how many resonating structures are possible for this? What its base? 4. 4 resonating structures are possible. So 4, 7 by 4. So that means 4 1 ja 4, 4 7 ja 4 5 ja 1.75. This is the one method. So another method is there. Bond order is equal to 1 plus number of pi bonds by number of sigma bonds. For example, carbonate, what its bond order? 1 plus number of pi bonds. It is containing how many pi bonds? 1 pi bond. So this is the sigma bond, this is the sigma bond, this is the sigma bond. So it is double bond containing 1 pi bond, triple bond containing 2 pi bonds. So how many pi bonds? This is the 1 pi bond, right? This is the sigma bond. So it is containing how many pi bonds? 1 pi bond by number of sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3. So 3. So that means 1 plus 1 by 3 means 0.333. So is equal to 1.33. So its bond order is right. Bond order is equal to this. Now for this is for carbonate, this is for phosphate, PO4 3 minus. Now calculate sulfate, SO4 2 minus. So bond order is equal to 1 plus number of pi bonds. It is containing how many pi bonds? 2 pi bonds. 2 by number of sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sigma bonds. So 1 plus 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So that means 1 by 2. That means 1 plus 1 by 2 means 0.5. Like 1.5. So both are having same values. Sulfate. This is not for phosphate, this is for carbonate. So 1.33 carbonate, what its value? 1.3. So both are same. This is the another method. If we can calculate it, chlorate ClO4 minus, bond order is equal to 1 plus number of pi bonds. Number of pi bonds, tell me. It is containing 1, 2, 3 pi bonds. 3 by number of sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 1 plus 3 by 4 means 0.75. So that means 1.75. So both are same. So calculate the bond order of for more than 19 electrons of molecules per ions having two formulas. One is bond order is equal to number of resonating bonds by number of resonant structures, or another one, bond order is equal to 1 plus number of pi bonds by number of sigma bonds. So this is the another method. Now I am going to explain some questions on this topic, right? So what is the first question? In which of the following set all molecules have equal bond order? Equal bond order. So in which of the following set all molecules have equal bond order? So equal bond order means which are containing same number of electrons that are containing equal bond orders. Isoelectronic species, like what its electrons? 2 electrons. What its electrons? 4 electrons. So helium 2 atomic number, it is containing 2 electrons, 2 to the 4. So boron 2 5 is 10 electrons. So this is 10 electrons. And this is 12 electrons. Lithium 10 electrons. Lithium 10 electrons. Li2, sorry, hydrogen, helium, lithium 6 electrons. So this is 16 electrons. And H2 2 electrons. Li2 6 electrons. 10 electrons. Boron 16, H2 2 electrons, carbon 12 electrons. So here isoelectronic species are absent. Now its bond order. So 14 is the baseline. If 14, that its baseline, its bond order is 3. 13, 12. So 15, 16. So 13 means 2.5. 12 means 2.0. So 15 means this is the basic value, above or below its bond order is decreases 2.5, 2.0. So here how many electrons are there? 12 electrons. What its bond order? 12 means 2.0. Here also 16 electrons, its bond order is 2.0. 2.0. Here this is 10 electrons. 10, 11, 10. 10 means this is 1.5, this is 1.0. So 10 electrons means its bond order is 1.0. So 1.0. This is 1.0, 10 electrons. Right, this is 12 electrons. 12 electrons, 2.0. 2.0. So remaining are less than or equal 8 electrons. For less than or equal 8 electrons, how to calculate bond order? Bond order is equal to number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons by 2. So here it is what is the bonding electrons, anti-bonding? Ba, right? So it is containing 2 electrons. The 2 electrons are also bonding electrons. So 2 minus 0, 2 minus anti-bonding electron 0, 2 minus 0 by 2 is equal to 1. So its bond order is 1. Next 4 electrons. 4 electrons means 2 means 2 bonding, 2 anti-bonding. So 2 minus 2, 0, its bond order 0, right? It's 6 electrons. 6 electrons means 2. So number of bonding electrons 2 to 4. 4 minus anti-bonding 2. 4 minus 2 by 2 means 2 by 2, that means 1. Its bond order is 1. So 16 electrons. 16 electrons already says that what its bond order? 2.0. Now this is 6 electrons. 6 electrons, what its bond order? 1. 2 electrons, what its bond order? 1. So 1. This is 1, right? This is 2 electrons, 1.0. 2 electrons, per 2 electrons, what its bond order? 1. So which right, in which of the following set all molecules have equal bond order? So this is the right answer. C is the right answer. Why? So per hydrogen, what its bond order? 1. Per Li2, what its bond order? 1. Per B2, what its bond order? 1.0, like 1, right? So that is the answer. Remaining does not having a same bond order, right? Next question, which of the following species in pairs have same shape and same bond order? So isoelectronic species, we know that one thing, isoelectronic species having same bond order and same shape. What is that? So here some molecules and ions are given. Isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species. We know that isoelectronic species, that species containing same number of electrons. Isoelectronic species having same number of isoelectronic species having same bond order and same shape. Its shape also same, right? Isoelectronic species. What are that isoelectronic species? N3 minus. What its electrons? What its atomic number of nitrogen? 7. 3 7 21. It's 3 into 7 plus minus means plus 1, right? 22. So NO2 minus. NO2 minus means nitrogen 7 plus 2 into 2 oxygens, 2 8 ja. Minus means plus 1. So that means 2 8 ja 16 plus 1, 17 plus 7, 24. Now CO2, right? CO2 per CO2 carbon 6 and oxygen 8, 2 into 8. So 2 8 is 16 plus 6, 22. And next goes to O3. 3 into what is the oxygen atomic number? 8 electrons, 24. Here which are having isoelectronic species? 22. So N3 minus and CO2 are isoelectronic species that are having a same shape and bond order. And what are that remaining? NO2 minus and O3 are having same number of electrons, 24. O3 both are having same number of electrons. So this pair having a same shape and same bond order. We know that. What is that? Isoelectronic species having same bond order and same shape, right? So which species? Right, N3 minus and CO2 having same shape and bond order. Similarly this. Highest bond order, which are highest bond order in the following. What is that? Cn plus, Cn minus, NO, Cn. So what is number of electrons? Carbon 6, nitrogen 7, plus means minus 1. So is equal to 12. So carbon 6, nitrogen 7, minus means plus 1. So this is 14. Nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, 15. This is carbon 6, nitrogen 7. So 13. 6 plus 7. 7 plus 8. 6 plus 7 plus 1. 6 plus 7 plus minus 1. Right. 12, 14, 15, 13. So what is the basic value? 14 electron basic value. What its bond order? 3. So which is having 14 electron? Its bond order is 3. Why it is having more bond order? So the maximum bonds between any diatomic molecule is 3 bonds maximum. So maximum bonds between diatomic molecule is 3. So that can be taken maximum bond order. That is the basic value. So which is having 14 electron. So its bond order is highest, Cn minus. Remaining, so above 14, that means above 14, below 14. That means above, below means this is. Its bond order is reduced for each 0.5. So that means below 3. So what is the answer? Cn minus. So I hope to clear this everyone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.